You're watching Steve TV.
Hey, me for Steve TV, here live with Miss Vic. We're both hot and moist. Moist is the word du jour.
Need a bit of a drink.
It's a beautiful day, but it is quite warm and humid up here. It could be a lot hotter. We're at the Kuranda Hotel, the pub on top of the hill in the Kuranda village. It's a big tourist mechanism, the whole top end of Cairns, isn't it? And we've just gone up through the Daintree Rainforest on the sky rail, and we're sitting at the top of the sky rail, which is also where the train goes as well. And now it's 11 o'clock in the morning. We're going to adventure around the village and then make our way to the Rainforeststation. We're going to go see the butterflies and the koalas and some other animals, I'm not quite sure, and get some lunch along the way. So there you go. You're watching Steve TV. We're in the Kuranda village, and this place is just alive with birds. And art. It's really quite wonderful. Hey Vic, straight to the bottle shop. Shall we try the markets? Where are you going? Isn't it gorgeous? How are the birds, aren't they sick? Look at those giant palms through there. Oh, it's just wonderful, tropical, everywhere you go. Well, it's quite warm. I'm in the butterfly enclosure here at Kuranda, And I don't know if the camera can actually pick up the butterflies because they're absolutely everywhere. There's some absolutely beautiful ones here. The monarch ones are gorgeous, they're blue. And there's fluttering everywhere. Every now and again they stop and they feed. Absolutely gorgeous. Mind you, if we weren't hot outside, we certainly are hot in here. Look at these beauties. Hello, beautiful. Wow. Come on, open your wings for me. He's got his wings closed. See if he'd land on my finger. Did he land on my finger? No. There he goes. Okay. Absolutely, and they've got green ones. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think, Vic? Beautiful as a butterfly, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
What do you think, Mrs. Anderson?
I think I saw some butterflies copulating just over there.
The bus driver called us the Andersons.
Indeed.
Yes, there's been a bit of copulation going on. And some spooning too, I think. Gorgeous. So here we are. Steve TV, live from the Butterfly Sanctuary here at Kuranda.
Get all our visitors from Melbourne in the next few months when it gets cold down there.
Yeah.
It's normally winter time when they all mass migrate up here.
But we're not normal, so
you like to travel.
we like to
outside.
live on the edge of the season.
Steve.
It's a good time to be up here actually. This is, believe it or not, our quiet season now.
Oh, this is good. Yeah.
And then by June it does get pretty busy because of all mostly domestic visitors that come up for breaks away from the cold. Melbourne and Sydney and so forth that way.
Yeah.
Come up.
Music Friday very soon at Monsters in Bed next on C. Mark and Benita, the CFM morning crew, back it up. Tina is making her way to Cairns. Now, Tina is on the phone now. I believe you're over in Paris, Tina. Are you married to a Frenchie?
Oh, your arm's going to burn. I can feel it.
Married, not
I feel the pain.
Oh, please say something French for me. The CFM morning crew, thanks to Harvey Norman Electrical, weekdays from 5:30. Grab your copy of the new 2014 Yellow Pages and White Pages book now.
I like it when there's less people.
Oh, yeah.
It's time to play for 2K with Yellow Pages and White Pages.
Nice and intimate.
With a massive $2,000 cash prize.
Like intimate. Get the Andersons.
Pretty busy up here today. We've got a cruise ship in town.
Oh yeah, we saw that.
That's where all like there's like heaps more buses up here today than what there would be on a normal day.
Big
So a
ocean
lot of
liner
cruises.
import.
A lot of boat people around today.
Oh, better not tell Tony Abbott.
Yeah, not Tony's mates. But yeah, they're all up here on day excursions. And it's pretty busy over at Rainforeststation today. There's quite a few buses over